She doesn't even know we're here. Yeah, she knows.
I didn't like in your car.
I told him I'm gonna cry. Look at my baby.
Yeah, it's not yours. It's Dad's.
Do you see it?
Are you crying?
Yeah, crying. Get your crap out of my car. It was gross in here. It's real gross. Can I drive? Please.
I don't know. Can you drive it?
I have my permit with me in my backpack.
Are you going to drive us to dinner?
Okay.
All right.
Why are you down here? Just want to